party. It was a birthday party. I can afford to dress anywhere I deem fit. It's my body. First is my body. Secondly, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a damn. Okay? I don't give a damn to your opinion exactly. I don't care. Because at the end of the day, your opinion don't feed me. I still come for that party, drive, come house, enter kitchen, still cook. So your opinion don't really matter for my life. See, my name is Festina Peters. Is Zebizwa. I know they live fake life. Now the one they see me for live. The one they see me for TV. That's why I be. If you're I'm not going to talk with you. I don't be sensitive. So that's why if you know me right from time, right from childhood, you know such a dress. I don't really care. See, okay, dressing half naked is it how you detect if someone is really spoiled, or I don't know how to put that English right. Like, let's really talk about this. Like, because I always dress half naked. Is that the reason why you think I'm a sports girl? No. Darling, I'm not. I'm not a sports girl. I'm not trying to defend myself. Right. Okay, I don't want to use industry. I'm one of the best. I'm one of the best girl that you can ever wish your brother married. Forget it. I'm not emphasizing. I'm just telling you. So see all those way they tie to neck, they be share, they dress, they cover here, my dear. If you know what they do, you will say you go, hey. I don't be that kind of people. See, I too correct. And they use now the nut chest. I don't date this industry. 7 years they go, so I beg, who are the men who say, Festina now, so they dress naked though. I don't sleep with her. But if you know you don't sleep with me, come out. And they talk don't be saying that. I don't they wash anywhere, interview where they go anywhere. If you know say you don't bold, you should be a boy, you be man. Say me Festina, I don't naked reach online. Say you don't sleep with me, bros, come out. May you tell me where and when, which hotel and where. Listen, I be hustler. I fight for myself. I hustle for myself. I know they dress to impress man. I know they open body to impress man online. That is just me. Listen, if you want to know Festina Peters, go to my family's house. Meet my mother, Mama Vicky. She go tell you, say, her pikin, she dey dress anyhow. She know the thief. She know the lie. She know the, in fact, she know the, how would I say, after woman, she know the flex. Because my mom know me rich house. See, any man why they date, the first person why they introduce down to the mama, mom see the man why they date too. If you approve and good, my family no approve and cha-cha, we'll go our separate way. Do you understand? So I don't they do anything online to impress anybody. If I dress the way I like, it's my life. It doesn't concern you. Do you understand? It's what makes me happy. At the end of the day, my happiness comes first, not your opinion. So keep it and shove it down your house. Do you understand? Keep it and shove it down your house. At the end of the day, I'm better. Way better than most of you there. You see, I used to stay in Europe. I know Europe life. If you, okay, most of you, they follow, what's her name? Ada Pink or something. That girl that have luscious breasts on Instagram. Most of them, they comment on her picture. Most of them, they love them. But when you see that Festina or any celebrity in Benin, you will have the tear mats. Now with the tear mats. At the end of the day, it's what pleases me. It's what satisfies my soul. That doesn't mean I'm a spoiled person. I'm a reserved, calm, loving, easygoing person. I love who I am. So listen, your opinion, your opinion, sweetheart, will not change my personality. I hardly talk because I've taken a lot of your bullshit on Facebook. But girl, you guys know now, Festina, I don't they take nonsense. If you not talk to me, you don't like, I go latch back to una. Forget the first time I'm a celebrity. Celebrity don't bath. Celebrity don't bath. I be human being like you. So if you they dress the way you like and you are comfortable with it, and nobody will accuse you, so what give you the right to accuse me or to talk to me the way you like? What give you that right? What give you that right to talk to me the way you please? Excuse me, it's my life. At the end of the day, I'm the one paying my goddamn bills, not you. You see this house? You see this house? It's a beautiful house in GROA. It's on me, baby. My lights bill, it's on me, baby. My fuel, it's on me, baby. My clothes, it's on me, baby. My food, it's on fucking me. I don't ask you for all those things. So back off, haters. Back off. Many of you now, they'll clap, and they wait, or you do my money will go down. Sweetheart, newsflash. I'm not going down. I will never go down. No, I said day. The way I said day is different for the way every other person said day. If all other celebrities they take on a trash, on a stupid comments for Facebook, Festina, I don't take it. If you latch at me, in fact, I'm going to do a serious video on this topic today. It's a happy day for me. I'm in a happy mood because my girl just celebrated on that birthday today. You get? You get? So, you people will not change my opinion. The way I was dressed wasn't bad. If I open my... Listen, they don't call it breast. Dumb ass. Dumb ass. They don't call it a breast. Nipple, that be breast. These are cleavages. Let me educate your stupid brain. I only expose a bit of my cleavages. It's not your business. If you don't have anyone to show, oh, it's not my business. I have it and I flaunt it. Do you understand me? It's what I have. And I flaunt it. If you cannot deal with it, go swallow pin or go swallow it, go kill you. Go up transformer. At the end of the day, my darling, I don't invite you come my life. I don't invite you come my live video. Me invite you. Why be safe now? You see something when I'm not like, I'm not for your pass. Must you drop stupid comments? Must you say, oh, I don't like the way she's dressed. Oh, she look. Oh, darling, without hair make, I'm a beautiful, beautiful, sexy girl. I don't need to put on makeup. I don't need to come tie my cloth, come reach my neck. More out there coming. If I say wear that kind of cloth, and we go see reach neck. Now I'll sit and say, hey, what did she wear? Or she want to kill herself? See, you see now, Facebook. Nah, you cannot make me go frustrated. I cannot go frustrated because of you people. Because you will always talk. You will always talk. You do good to Facebook, they will talk. Some of them will go open fake accounts. You all that have fake accounts, I know you guys. I know you. But my dear, I will not block. Hey, sweetheart, love. LOVE. I won't block them. Do you know why? I want them to be here to see my progress every day. If I keep blocking every damn